Hello and welcome to the Wessex SuperTurf system. This is the world's first high-performance rotary mower paired with interchangeable turf maintenance cassettes. So the SuperTurf is a 5-in-1 turf maintenance system. That means you're mowing and you're rolling, you're brushing, and you can slit for aeration and you can rake for dethatching. So these tools here that you can see are the essential tools for turf maintenance through all seasons of the year. And you can interchange these cassettes with 0 tools. So what that means for you, between every single cut of the pitch, you're not removing the mower off the tractor to fit a different machine on. You can just interchange the cassettes between every use. So that means also that you're covering the pitch once every time you cut, rather than twice every time you cut. It's a huge time saver. So the SuperTurf system is coupled up with the CRX DR roller mower. And for those of you who don't know this machine, this is one of our most popular rotary mowers for the sports field application. Let me give you a few points about this machine that really stands it out. So it's one of the fastest blade tip speed rotary mowers on the market. So the quality of cut is superb, second to none. And it has a big uplift on the back of the blade, which creates a lot of suction, true height of cut, and even grass distribution out the back. You'll see that it has 2 rollers, front and back, which give you a very accurate height of cut. So it follows the contours and the undulations in the ground very closely. So it's a high precision rotary roller mower. For the full overview and all the features and benefits of the CRX DR roller mower, you want to check out our walk-around video and our sales video to see the machine in action. So changing the heights of the tools is very simple and easy. On the side of the machine here, you'll see this pin, which you can remove here and wind up and down using these jack handles on both sides of the machine. You've got a series of holes which you can select the position depending on how aggressive you want to be with the tool. And if you don't want the tool engaged in the turf, you can wind it all the way up to the top hole, which takes it and removes it above the height of cut, so you're not touching the turf with your tool. So let's go into the benefits of why you would use a brush before you mow. So firstly, any lateral growth on the turf will help get stood up by the brush. So when you mow, it's giving you a true height of cut. Also, the brush helps to disperse any morning dew, which actually is one of the biggest causes of disease on your turf. Also, any worm casts that come up on the soil will get dispersed before you mow. And finally, from a presentation point of view, by brushing before you mow, that enhances your stripe and you get a clearly defined, sharp stripes across your pitch. So moving on to the rake system, this is a very important tool for removing excessive thatch from the turf. Raking in front of the mower means that any material that gets pulled up out of the turf then goes through the mower and gets chopped up finely and dispersed out the back to help the decomposition process. It means you don't have material lying around on the surface for a long while. And finally, here we have the slitting cassette. So slitting acts as an aeration. Slitting is very important during the playing season to allow air to get into the soil, to get into the roots, to create a healthier plant. It also helps to open the surface and to help decompact throughout a busy playing schedule throughout the season. The slicing action of this cassette naturally prunes the roots of the turf, which stimulates vigorous growth and a healthier plant rather than shallow root system. So there we have it, the SuperTurf 5-in-1 turf maintenance system, available through our global dealer network. If you want any more information on pricing or availability or any more details about the product, then please do get in touch. We'll be glad to talk to you. Thank you.